again, Kai Havertz, another very important goal. He's not just scoring regulation goals. He's not scoring, you know, a goal when we've won, you know, the final goal when we were 3-0 up or little consolate. He's scoring big goals.
Are you backtracking now, though? Or because you question the signing? Do you understand? Do you still
when we got him, because I was just always like, where's he going to play? Where is he going to play? Midfield? Is he going to play up front?
No, Filho da puta, don't even try it. You question the signing of Kai Havertz just like me and everybody else that either didn't want to be outwardly talking against the signing or was talking outwardly against the signing, because Kai Havertz has been underwhelming at Chelsea. He came for Leverkusen with a big reputation that Filho da puta did nothing. The only thing you could hold on to is, oh, he scored a championship goal. He scored the winning goal in the Champions League. Other than that, what's that Filho da puta do? What does he do? He ain't good enough. That's why you questioned him. Not about where you're going to fit him. You don't rate him. You don't rate him as highly, just trying to gas him to me. I'm not hearing none of this. Arsenal, you was concerned. All Arsenal fans really deep down was concerned because Kai Havertz has never shown himself to be that player to take you to the next level. Not even shown us that he's the player to be consistent. He's always like consistency and quality. Yeah, so let's not go with that's the only reason because you didn't know where to fit him in the team. You didn't rate him higher than Odegaard. You didn't rate him higher than Declan Rice and none of these players that play in the midfield. That's why you question it. Don't try backtrack.
I couldn't work out where he's going to play. We're obviously playing him in midfield now and he's excelling. I'm not sure how many Premier League goals that is he's got now. 4 Premier League goals. That's a good return from midfield.
It is.
He's especially playing in the position he's playing in midfield. You know what I mean? That's a very good return, as a matter of fact. At the moment, he's really proving the doubters wrong, and I love the way the crowd have all got behind him. Yeah. You know what I mean? He's a fan favourite right now. You know what I mean? And somebody said it earlier, man. The Chelsea fans must be kicking themselves right now when they look at some of the rubbish they bought over there. They must be kicking themselves because they're all laughing.
Yeah.
All the Chelsea fans were laughing when we bought him. Oh, you paid for Havertz for right?
5 million down the drain.
Yeah, they should have been laughing at United. They bought Mount.
The season, this is what I'm saying. Arsenal fans just get way too excited about the bare minimum. These man get so excited. The party starts getting party poppers. Bro, relax. Relax. Do you know how many fake profits these man be talking about, bro? I'm saying relax. Charlie Patino. Do you know what I'm saying? Pepe, Lacazette. All these man that you man, oh, Fabi Vieira, that's what we need, a top player, bro. You man, how many times you man talk rubbish? El Nene, justifying El Nene getting a new contract. Most of the guys that these man gas, flop, they ain't good enough. They are not good enough. Oh, Eddie and Ketia, but now we're going in for another striker. Relax, Filho. No vengo esa pucaria, bro. Like, man's already saying, oh, Chelsea are crying about, bro, laugh. Why is, bro, Chelsea don't miss Havertz, bro. This guy is the most inconsistent player, one of the most inconsistent players I've ever seen. What's this Filho da puta talking about? Looking like the Michelin tire advert. What are you talking about? It's the same bucaria, bro. The guy ain't levels. Kai Havertz is not levels, yeah? And just because he's doing what we bought him to do, well, he should be performing. Because he's our 3rd highest signing in this club's history. I'm expecting him. I'm not going to give him too much praise and doing your job. Like, at the end of the day, yeah, you did well. Continue, carry on. What kind of bucaria is this coming out with this rubbish about, oh, Chelsea fans must be kicking themselves? Get out of here, man. Like, he'll be the difference of them getting the top 4 this season. Can't have us saying the difference is nothing, bro. At best, you man were calling him an impact sub. Now you're overgassing him. You're saying that he's an impact sub, but you're overgassing an impact sub. Ah, get out of here with this bucaria, man. I'm done with it, bro. These man take it too far, get way too excited, start twerking their bum, bro. Like, do you know what I'm saying? The guy ain't done nothing. Wait till he performs for a season. You know what I'm saying? These are the same Arsenal fans. These Filhos da puta took so much merda. They're the same ones that said, oh, we don't need Tini. We got Zinchenko. Oh, we got Zinchenko. Then this season, oh, yeah, he's a liability at the back. I thought you gassed him up saying that you don't want Tini, the actual left back that can defend. These men were gassing last season. Oh, we got Thomas Partey, the best CDM in the Premier League. He's better than Casemiro. Then we get Declan Rice. Oh, no. Now Declan Rice is the best. Was Declan Rice not in the Premier League last season? Não vem aqui a falar merda, não vem aqui a falar à toa, porque eu não estou aqui para toda nenhuma mais merda. You know what I'm saying? These men were the same man saying, oh, Ramsdale, look at all the doubters. Nobody believed in him. Trying to call out anybody that didn't believe in Ramsdale, that didn't think that he was a top goalkeeper. Then this season, he's erratic. Let's get rid of Ramsdale. You know what? We got Raya. Raya's the better keeper. Was Raya not in the Premier League last season? You didn't put Raya over Ramsdale last season. These Phillies that talk absolute rubbish. These men were cussing Kai Havertz when he was at Chelsea. They never mentioned, before we got him and was linked to him, I never heard no Arsenal fan saying, you know what the missing link we need to win the Premier League is Kai Havertz. These men talk too early, bro. Get your chest out when we actually win a major honor. Stop talking rubbish. Stop twerking for the bare minimum. Tô cansado. É sempre a mesma porcaria, bro. We got the German, bro. We got the German Doctor Who and Kai Havertz. We've got Reece Nelson running around like Tyreek from Power. Reece Tyreek Nelson. You know what I'm saying? The guy ain't got nothing about him, but you man gas him up to me. We got Eddie Nketiah looking like J Huss on job seekers allowance. You know what I'm saying? What are we talking about here? Do you know what I'm saying? Martinelli, bro, I don't know where he's running, bro. The way he's running around the pitch, and there's no composure. He might as well run back to Rio, bro. There's no point. I don't know what that guy's doing, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Raya in goal, more time he's making mistakes, looking like the Ricky Martin version of Onana. What are we talking about? Ben White looking like the blonde George Michael. You know what I mean? We got Stuart Little, the Ukrainian Stuart Little at left back. What's these Phillies that are talking about? Relax, keep calm. Keep calm. Our centre-backs as well before this game were looking like Phil and Lil. Gabriel and Saliba looking like Phil and Lil from the Rugrats. Let's just keep calm. Because I'm telling you right now, everything ain't fixed. Everything ain't fixed. Let's just keep calm, picking up the points. We're happy when we pick up the points. Não vem aqui com essa porcaria, não vem a mandar boca, yeah? Manda boca. Porque você tá mandando muita boca, já não tem mais paciência a ouvir essa porcaria.
We got Havertz, right? We got a good deal. You know what I mean?
I want to ask you this, Rob, because I want to ask
To win the league, we need to have more or less everybody fit. And I would in January think about definitely, possibly bringing in a midfield or a defender. I
don't think we'll get a striker.
Somehow, I just feel like the defender, the striker thing.
In January.
Sure.
It's a big ask.
A lot of people talk.
It's a big ask. No. Acabou, caramba. Even my microphone's falling over. I can't even believe it. What are you? It's a big ask to get a striker. We never replaced the goals that Aubameyang brought to this team. We never replaced it. Man got the light skin Lacazette, and that was it in Jesus. Do you know what I'm saying? His best attributes are linking up play, just like Lacazette. Bro, what are we talking about here? What are we talking about? Now all of a sudden, it'll be hard. Let's just get a midfielder. Yeah, we needed a midfielder. And we need a right winger. Because did we not see some of the performances we saw so far from Saka? He looked like he's burnt out. Does anyone believe in Reece Nelson? No, they don't. Nobody wants Reece Nelson if Saka gets injured. What kind of puckery is this? What merda are you talking about? And now it's always pushing the bar low. We need a striker. Everybody can see it. We needed a striker to affect the game against PSV, against West Ham, against Newcastle. You know what I'm saying? Against Lons in the first game. We can see we don't have a world-class goal striker. Actually, let me get into the stats. For the statisticians, everybody wants to talk pucaria to me. Oh, you just want to moan for moan. You want to moan for clips and views. Filho da puta, vai tomar dessas. I got all the receipts. Northside, a.k.a. Mr. Receipts. Não tô aqui para brincar, para gastar nenhum tempo. Let's get into the receipt. Let's get into the receipts, yeah? We don't need a striker, yeah? All we need is maybe one midfielder. No, we need a midfielder. We need a creative midfielder, and we need a striker. Big chances created by a player in the Premier League this season. Saka is 4th. Our next highest big chance creator is Odegaard, and he's 22nd on the list. Yeah? So não vem me falar nenhuma merda. Stats are the stats. Yeah? Stats are the stats. Compared to Odegaard, our so-called captain that is so creative and so amazing. And look at him against Brighton. Yeah? On big chances created, yeah? McNeil from Everton has created more chances. Yeah? Newcastle's Anthony Gordon has created more chances than Odegaard, our so-called captain. And man want to talk rubbish to me. Querem falar merda. Querem estar aqui a mandar boca. Yeah? Go check the stats. Yeah? Rick Ross, check the scoreboards. Check the scoreboard. Filho da puta. Yeah? He ain't creative enough. He ain't doing enough. Yeah? Odegaard ain't doing enough. He ain't doing enough. One of our highest goal scorers is Saka, and he's our biggest creator. You nullify him, then we ain't creating enough. We ain't doing enough. Yeah, big chances missed by a player this season. Kai Havertz has 4 so far for Arsenal. Big chances created, and these men are, oh, look, he's turning up. Yeah, he's turning up. He's also missing a lot, filho da puta. Yeah? Big chances created. Arsenal are level with Brighton. Brighton, the one that forward's coming out with, Dowd is coming out with, oh, we're so amazing. We made them look like a championship team. Well, big chances created. We're level with Brighton. We should be smashing these, man. You know what I mean? Check the scoreboard. Check the scoreboard. Huh? You know what I'm saying? Big chances by clubs. Arsenal are 9th. We're supposed to be on project. We're supposed to be on project win the league now. Phase 4. 700 million pounds spent. He's got all his players. You know what I'm saying? Big chances missed by clubs. Arsenal are 9th. I guess why? Because we need a striker, filho da puta. We need a striker as well as a midfielder and some defenders and a flipping right winger. What are we talking about here? These men just talk. Oh, it sounds good on Instagram. Have you not got your own mentality? Can you not do your own research? Do your Googles. Yeah? You man, do your Googles. Because these men are quick to be internet keyboard warriors. Do your Googles, bro. Everything ain't looking great. Everything ain't looking great. Do your Googles. You know what I'm saying? Our highest creator in the midfield have 2 assists, which is Odegaard and Fabio Vieira. And they've had 16 appearances. Yeah? 2 assists each. Fabio Vieira, filho da puta, does nothing, bro. That guy thinks it's WWE. He only does something when you tag him in a tag team wrestling match. Comes on for a little 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That filho da puta ain't good enough to start. You know what I'm saying? Fabio Vieira, your Portuguese teabag. And Odegaard, I've been saying this guy goes missing, bro. The Norwegian Justin Bieber, filho da puta, that ain't good enough. And he'll turn up against Brian, and these men get deceived and think that this guy's good enough. This guy ain't good enough. On a consistent basis, he ain't good enough. As a captain, he's not the bar of excellence. But Declan Rice should be the leader. Week in, week out, my guy puts in a shift. That's a leader. That's a captain. Do you know what I'm saying? Our biggest creators in the midfield have 2 assists and 16 appearances. What fuckery is this? Man telling me that everything's fixed. You know what I mean? Everything. Oh, no. Because we got the Norwegian baby. Oh, baby. Oh, because he flicks his hair. I can flick my hair. Do you know what I'm saying? Because you got work rate. I've been saying my mom's got work rate. The way she sprints for the bus, bro, and then slams down her Oyster card, flipping sign her up then. She got work rate. And she's 60. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm not hearing it. Our highest goal scorers are Eddie Nketiah with 5 goals and 16 appearances, and Saka with 5 goals and 16 appearances. Jesus has only got 3 goals. Bowen, Nicholas Jackson, and Mbeumo have more goals. Is that sustainable? Oh no, be excited. Be excited. Be excited. Nketiah scored 5 goals and 16 appearances. World class. We don't need a striker. We don't need a striker. Do you know what I'm saying? The club said they ain't got money. We've got to sell some players. Right, what players are you selling? Because man are telling me that this bench is fixed. These Phillies are telling me the bench is fixed. So what players are you getting rid of? Because you ain't getting rid of Saka because you rate him. Oh, so you're going to get rid of the players that you told me have fixed the bench. Well, you don't really rate them, do you? You don't really rate them. Do you know what I'm saying? If you're getting rid of Fabio Vieira, why did you gas him to me? If you're getting rid of ESR, why did you tell me I have to be patient with him and he's part of Project Youth? I thought that's what man are telling me. If you're getting rid of Nketiah, you man were twerking when he got a new deal. You man were happy. You Philus da puta were happy when he got the number 14 and they got flipping 100k a week. New contract. So you don't really believe that he's that great. Or you wouldn't get rid of him to go and get Ivan Toney. So what are you going to pull out your ass? I thought the bench is fixed. I thought everything is great. The bench either ain't fixed and you don't really rate him, which is why you want to sell them to get Ivan Toney. You know what I'm saying? It don't make no sense. Who are you selling? Because you ain't selling Rolls Royce Saliba. Oh, it's the players that I've been telling you Philus that ain't good enough, like Kivior. Like Kivior, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Like Kivior, looking at the Polish Rick and Morty. Man's head looks like Morty, bro, from Rick and Morty. That guy ain't good enough. You know what I'm saying? But man, were telling me that he's. Oh, are you gonna sell him? I don't know. I thought we got enough. I thought he's one of the fixed bench players. One of the fixed bench. These Phillies that don't believe the things that they're saying, bro. They don't believe the things that they're saying. Saka is our joint highest goal scorer. So if Nketiah doesn't start because everybody rates Jesus above him, which is correct. And then you've got Saka, yeah, which if you nullify and barely ever gets a break, where's the goals coming from? Where are the goals coming from? Jesus has only got 3 goals this season. 3 goals. Do you know what I'm saying? Our attack is getting outdone by Solanke, Bowen, Nicholas Jackson, and Mbuemo. Oh my God. A man want to chat to me and get excited because we beat Brighton. Zinchenko, a so-called creative left back. I got all the receipts, filhos da puta. I've got all the receipts. Zinchenko, a so-called creative fullback, has 1 assist in 16 appearances in the Premier League. These are all stats from the Premier League. 1 assist in 16 appearances. Yeah? But, oh no, Northside. Zinchenko's pivotal to the way we play football. He's pivotal. What's man doing in the middle? Man is like a hula hoop, bro. Zinchenko is like a hula hoop. He's hollow in the middle. Man ain't creating nothing. A filo da puta is like a hula hoop. There's nothing in the middle. There's no jam. There's no chocolate. There's no nothing. Yeah? That filo da puta ain't doing nothing. He ain't doing nothing. Zinchenko's got 1 assist. But he spends all his time, he's inverted. He spends all his time in the middle. What's that filo da puta creating? 1 assist. 1 assist. But we bridged the gap. Vital Manuku, bruv. Vital Manuku. Saying Jackson, bro, I can't bet. Nicholas Jackson has got more goals in the Premier League than Nketiah, Saka, and Jesus. Oh my days. You know what I mean? Oh my days. Get closer. Oh, get closer. I'm scoring now. Filhos da puta. You know what I mean? Bro, but apparently everything's fixed. Everything's all right, man. People like me are just toxic and negative.